Yeah, well, the tourism industry has basically its fixed months. Dark skies allows it to extend those fixed months into the winter season. And being within the dark sky area now, which is designated by Snowdonia, it's really going to open up additional tourism opportunities during the winter period.
Mae Parc Cenedlaethol Eryri wedi cael dynodiad fel gwarchodfa Awyr Dywyll ers 2015. Ardaloedd o dir ydyn nhw sydd efo ansawdd Awyr Dywyll gwerth chweil. A wedyn mae heina'n cael I warchod wedyn mwyn lles yr amgylchedd a mwyn bywyd gwir sy'n byw ynddo. Mae hefyd I bobl gan mwynhau hefyd.
I think for me, much as we were interested in being green, having better night skies and everything else, I haven't quite realised the potential for astro-tourism, shall we say.
I knew that it was obviously popular, but I didn't realise how popular and actually how many people are willing to travel to come to experience dark skies.
Small businesses can undertake very small ventures where you get intimate evenings with astronomers or just providing simple binoculars to their clients. Whereas the larger businesses can undertake large-scale events like stargazing parties or even conferences.
Y hawbwynt oedd gael mynd I fewn i'r planetarium.
Oedd o'n ddifyr clywed am gysylltiad hanesion Celtaidd â'r Mabinogi hefo seryddiaeth a cael bod yn y dôl yma a gweld y peth yn fyw o flaen eich llgada ni ac illa gweld sut sy'n gallu gwneud gweithgareddau o gwmpas hynny yn lle yn hynny.
I gael allan o'r cynllun yma, da ni'n gobeithio cael mwy o ymwelwyr, wrth gwrs, i'r ardal, iddyn nhw aros yn hirach efo ni, ac I gyfoethogi i'r hosio atyn nhw ychwanegu gwerth, bod na gyfleusterau ar gael, ac hefyd cydweithio efo digwyddiadau gobeithio fydd yn dod yn lleol hefyd o ran fod yr ardal yma Eryri yn gynllun awyr tywyll. I've had a great day. Really, really interesting. Yeah.
Da iawn, bath gwahanol. O'n i'n saff iawn beth ddisgwyl ond oedd yn goriad llygad iawn. Da iawn.